This is my vision PowerPoint. I want to tell you about my future goals. I will graduate spring of 2020 with a bachelor's degree in educational studies and an associate's degree in biology. I will obtain my credentials and earn my master's in biology from the University of La Verne or Western Governors University. I will teach junior high or high school biology. A lot of professors that I interact with, they ask me really when they see that that is my goal. And yes, I want to teach junior high or high school biology students, teenagers. I'm excited to know that once I complete my educational journey, I won't just have a job that I go to and clock in 9 to 5, but that I will have a career and that I will be able to soar.